Only attack on me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going.
What you talking about? Is Jayden place? See me up to the time, you know, a cartel. I represent for Jayden Chase. We spray them face on the AK rays. See me up to the time, you know, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, wanna find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, this is an exciting moment in a dancehall music. Viewers and subscribers, Vybz Kartel featuring Spice and Popcaan, Cute Rider Dancehall remix. Viewers and subscribers, yes, very exciting moment. Fans, I've been saying them want another Vybz Kartel featuring Spice, and truth be told, every time Vybz Kartel and Spice link up their track, it is a dancehall classic. Now, Popcaan and Vybz Kartel, viewers and subscribers, we haven't heard of Popcaan featuring, well, a Vybz Kartel featuring Popcaan for quite some time now. Fans have been speculating if it was ever going to even be possible. Now, recently we drop a statement and we say yes, Vybz Kartel and Popcaan, look out for the track. The teacher made the statement himself. Him say, yo, time heals all, and a forgiveness it there. Now, viewers and subscribers, it is here. The Popcaan and a Vybz Kartel track. Now, first and foremost, let me say this. The international crowd, Spice and Popcaan, are two of the artists where people know them from that association from Vybz Kartel. Truth be told, Spice has done very well for herself. So we're not going to say people know Spice as an artist. Remember, Spice was never a member of the Popcaan Empire, but she was a long time friend of Vybz Kartel. Someone who Vybz Kartel say, what you know, as a female artist, whether or not you're in the camp, you have the talent, mama. You have the drive. The world will appreciate your talent one day. And the world has shown Spice, say, what you know, Spice? You have something, you bring something to the table. At this point in time, crown queen of the dancehall genre. Vybz Kartel, crown king of the dancehall genre, is a good look. Glad to see Popcaan. I hear Popcaan and a track with Vybz Kartel. Just because we know say Vybz Kartel was that artist, that individual. We say, Poppy, responsible what some other people want to say. We know talent, and talent is something where you have. And see it there. Years later, you see him link up with Drake, you see him link up with Davido, you name the names. See Popcaan and them link and create music that the world appreciates. You know what I mean? So that's a good look within itself, viewers and subscribers. Dance and Divas is doing extremely well, not just locally but also internationally. The naysayers are pretend. I have even heard, I have even seen fake charts, viewers and subscribers. Them are create charts. Them now manipulate the charts. Them not have that persuasion over the charts. So guess what them do? Them are edit the charts and I put them out, viewers and subscribers. No, accept no substitutions. Vybz Kartel is the leading dancehall artist, the only dancehall artist. You say what you know? This generation of music, while it is being held down, we'll say it, by stakeholders of the previous generation of music, I am going to say it. Vybz Kartel has been the champion of this millennium in a dancehall music. When him forward out and said this is a different millennium, a different thing I go on, pointing out that what you know, dancehall music has reached that evolutionary stage where international fans are now paying more attention to dancehall. Your cut off foot jeans, more to remember, you know. Jamaicans make cut off foot jeans popular internationally. You know. People act like, so what you know, dancehall music doesn't influence fashion worldwide as well. Remember Clark say just from Vybz Kartel and Popcaan and Vanessa Blink's song, there was an increase in sales of clocks worldwide, not just in Jamaica. That is the marketing power of dancehall music. I feel like our stakeholders should acknowledge the contributions of these later artists to dancehall music and acknowledge the fact that with the right support, viewers and subscribers, dancehall music can be at the forefront of world music once again. But see it? The artist dropped the Grammy dancehall album and we not see people, we not see certain stakeholders in the industry locally a champion the cause. Because them not like the move. Some of them not like the move, viewers and subscribers. It's not that they are fans of the opposition. Because you know, one nation of dancehall music. They are not fans of the opposition. They are just naysayers of Vybz Kartel. There's no other artist who not tell us better than the teacher. They will just tell you that they are not supporters. But ask them there's another artist who is better than Vybz Kartel. They will tell you no. But they must say, boy, MC said that now song and they do that and they say this and we don't know. Certain people are carry feelings for the artists. Whether it's because they're better than for them artists. We don't know, they never want to link with them. And there will be no apology for these people. We are moved forward in the campaign. We are moved forward in the campaign. Adi for the Grammy. Adi for the Grammy. And this album, viewers and subscribers, every track on the album is a masterpiece. We don't mind every single track on the album get remixed. And we have some project we'll put out and you know what I mean? People are just for the fans. Even just for the fans. And still make it available on iTunes and all these different platforms. Because people get music from different sources in this day and age. You know, the iPhone crowd, I go on the track up on the iTunes. So you still have to put it on these various platforms. And it will still be lucrative. So, yo, at this moment in time, I look forward to see more remixes. We don't want to say too much. We don't want to make say, boy, what they tell me, say all songs will be remixed, but we can confirm this. So far, we have heard of 3 big remixes, even one more. Hey, you have a feature, a remix feature we're gonna drop this year. You know what I mean? Yo, that will definitely shake the industry and remind certain stakeholders. So watch out. Invest in the youth. Invest in this generation of dancehall music. Big up the foundation artists. Big up the days of the 90s. You know what I mean? Yeah, big up all artists who contributed during that time settings. We now at a time period. Why? During that time settings, big up all artists who contributed. But I will say this, in this day and age, dancehall music is growing and evolving. And because certain stakeholders are not in control of these artists and these youths, because remember, these youths not sign a record contract on a major labels. Majority of these young artists we hear forward out, them sign to themselves. Or they not sign a contract yet. And because of that cutting out of the middleman, why for the name the two? Some of these stakeholders in the industry now upset with the younger generation of dancehall music, and them critique everything from the beat to what the artists them are talk about, while not pointing out that in the 90s, the lyrical content of the 90s was controversial as well. And artists cannot be, we cannot expect artists for either sing the same things that artists before have sung, or even sound the same way that artists of a previous generation sounded. You can't put that kind of responsibility on an artist. And I say, yo, that is how we need to carry on the genre. No, the fact that an artist is from Jamaica doing music, it is reggae or dancehall, regardless. Any genre him choose to say that kind of music they do, leave the artist to create his creations. Enough people who are critiquing music has never written a song. They don't know what the process is like, but they go critique song. Some people who talk about the artist album have never put out a mixtape. And I go talk about the artist album of Dance and Divas viewers and subscribers. Another big official remix. Stay tuned. We have a lot more in storage. Yes, we have a lot more in storage, viewers and subscribers, and we have a lot more in store. So let's look out for what go on. Whole heap of works. Dancehall is in good hands. Freedom is a must for the artists. That's why we need the artists on the road, viewers and subscribers. Because with some people that talk about dancehall music, and some artists that talk about dancehall music, them now make no moves in a dancehall music. So we're the only artists who are show creativity and innovation behind the bars. That is why dancehall seems a bit stagnant. Vice the one called Jayden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and yes, I'm reminding you, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, you're just a pass through, but you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view. Well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon, drop a like on the blog, come like we here, tell a friend, tell them, sister, and them, brother them. But check out the channel, check out the reasoning via the share icon, the right beside the like icon, close proximity. Comment section open 24/7, never laugh yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. Other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and your opinions there. Yeah, man, move settings for me until the reason again, me I say live, love, and prosper.